Here are some amazing facts about the horned lizard. There are around 15 species of horned lizards, mostly found in the United States and Mexico. They are also called horned toads due to their toad-like shape, though they are true lizards. Phrynosoma is the genus name for horned lizards, derived from Greek meaning toad body. Horned lizards are often brown, tan, or gray, helping them blend into desert landscapes. Their distinctive spiky horns on their head are made of true bone. The largest species, Texas horned lizard, can grow up to 5 inches 13 centimeters long. The smallest species, the round-tailed horned lizard, is only about 2.5 inches 6 centimeters in length. Horned lizards have flattened bodies, which help them remain unnoticed when camouflaged. They possess a fringe of spiny scales along their sides that provides additional camouflage. Their eyes are positioned in a way that gives them great peripheral vision. Horned lizards prefer arid and semi-arid environments, such as deserts, prairies, and scrublands. They are found primarily in the southwestern United States, Mexico, and parts of Central America. Some species inhabit high altitudes, even up to 11,000 feet in the mountains. These lizards prefer sandy or rocky environments, where they can easily bury themselves. They are often seen near ant colonies, their primary food source. Horned lizards are insectivores, with a diet primarily consisting of ants. They especially favor harvester ants, which are known for their stinging bites. A single lizard can eat up to 2,500 ants in a single day. To protect themselves from the ants' venom, horned lizards have mucus-lined stomachs. They are also known to eat other insects like beetles, grasshoppers, and spiders. Horned lizards are famous for their ability to squirt blood from their eyes as a defense mechanism. The blood squirting can shoot up to 4 feet 1.2 meters to deter predators. This blood contains chemicals that taste foul, especially to canines like coyotes. Horned lizards flatten their bodies and remain still to blend in with their surroundings. When threatened, they can inflate their bodies to look larger and more intimidating. Some species have a sharp horn structure that can puncture the mouth of a predator. Their camouflage is their first line of defense, making them hard to spot in their natural environment. They can also burrow into loose soil to hide from predators or extreme temperatures. The primary predators of horned lizards include hawks, snakes, roadrunners, and coyotes. Some species have developed the ability to run in short bursts to escape predators. Reproduction and life cycle. Horned lizards are oviparous, meaning they lay eggs. Females dig a burrow to lay 6 to 40 eggs, depending on the species. The eggs hatch after an incubation period of 40 to 60 days. Viviparity live birth is seen in some horned lizard species, such as the short-horned lizard. The young are entirely independent from birth and receive no parental care. Baby horned lizards are born fully formed and start hunting for food within days. The average lifespan of a horned lizard in the wild is 5 to 8 years. Mating season is typically in spring, just after the lizards emerge from hibernation. Males attract females through head bobbing and physical gestures. Males have femoral pores on their legs, which secrete pheromones to attract mates. The horned lizard's body is adapted to conserve water in arid environments. They absorb moisture through their skin by standing in puddles, a process called rain harvesting. Horned lizards are capable of hibernation during colder months or drought conditions. Their specialized teeth help them efficiently crush the hard exoskeletons of ants. They possess third eyelids to protect their eyes from dirt and sand in windy desert conditions. Their sharp vision helps them detect movement from potential prey at a distance. Unlike many reptiles, horned lizards don't rely heavily on their sense of smell for hunting. Horned lizards use the sun to regulate body temperature, basking in the morning and hiding in the shade during the heat of the day. They often bury themselves in the sand at night to maintain warmth. Their bodies are covered in tiny scales that direct water toward their mouth during rainstorms. Horned lizards have evolved over millions of years, adapting to various desert environments. Each species has slightly different horn shapes, which have evolved to deter specific predators. Fossil records show horned lizards have been around for at least 30 million years. Their horn length and shape differ based on the predators in their particular habitat. Some species are better at digging, while others rely more on camouflage. The regal horned lizard has longer horns than most other species. The desert horned lizard has a more rounded body shape, which helps it absorb more heat from the sun. The mountain short-horned lizard lives in cooler, higher altitude environments. Habitat loss due to urbanization and agriculture is a major threat to horned lizard populations. In some areas, they are also threatened by pesticides, which reduce their primary food source ants. The Texas horned lizard is listed as a threatened species in several U.S. states. Conservation efforts include habitat restoration and the protection of ant colonies. Pet trade and illegal collection have also contributed to the decline of certain species.